Hello. In this video, we will see how to manage the implementation of an initiative. You can find your initiatives to implement by clicking on the My Actions to be Taken block, and then clicking on the initiative to be implemented. Once on the initiatives page, we see that it has indeed been approved by Sasha and is currently being implemented by Larry, with a deadline set for November. We can also view Sasha's recommendations for this implementation. To update the progress of the initiative, simply click on the Edit Progress button. For our example, we will indicate that the initiative is 50% complete and that the confidence level is very high. Use the confidence level to convey your perception of the implementation's success. Select Very High if everything is going smoothly and the implementation will meet deadlines. Medium if support is needed to keep deliverables on schedule, or Very Low if the implementation is encountering issues that require a redefinition of deliverables and agreed deadlines. Enter the workload carried so far for this implementation. Add a comment, and save. Now you can find the progress information on the initiatives page, showing 50% completion with a high confidence level. During this implementation phase, you have access to other options, such as directly confirming the implementation with or without success. Here, we will confirm the implementation with success, indicate the actual workload carried, enter the results of the implementation, and submit. The implementation phase is now complete. The initiative is sent back to the approver, who will be responsible for its closure, which we will cover in the next video. Thank you for following this tutorial, and see you soon.